Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So how you can change your IP address? If you want to change your IP address, you have to search run, okay? Click start bar or search run and you can press window R, okay? When you press window R, the run will appear, okay? Here you have to type ncpa.cpl. When you enter the ncpa.cpl, the wizard will appear, connection wizard, okay? So it's a network connection wizard. So you can see the last option, the Wi-Fi, okay? So I'm using laptop, so this is the Wi-Fi network adapter. So if you want to change your IP version 4, okay, ip so how you can do that? So just right click on the network adapter and go on properties. But before we go in properties, I have to see something, okay? So I click on status. When I click on status, I can see the details here, okay? When I see the details, I can see my IP address, okay? So what's my IP address? My IP address, this one, okay? So 192.168.100.123 is my IP address, okay? So let's close it and close it. Okay, right click on it, network adapter, and click on the properties. When you click on the properties will appear here, okay? So you have to find the internet protocol version 4, this, okay? You can see internet protocol version 4. When you find it, double click on it, and here you have to change your IP address. It's obtain automatically, currently obtain an IP address automatically option selected, so it's by default. If you want to update or change your IP address statically, okay, so you have to put here your static IP address, okay? So when you select here and suppose that I'm adding the address, the 192.168.1.1, okay? Now the subnet mask, it's automatically set, okay? Default gateway like your router IP address, okay? So that's it, and click on OK. I don't want to change my IP address, and that's why I'm not clicking OK, so I just cancel it. But that's it for today, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.